Welcome back, garden lovers. Today, we're focusing on a vital aspect of gardening, attracting beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. These amazing creatures play a crucial role in pollinating plants, which leads to better fruit and vegetable yields. Let's dive into how you can create a pollinator-friendly garden. Pollinators are essential for a healthy garden ecosystem. They help plants reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. Without them, many of our favorite fruits and vegetables wouldn't exist. Plus, supporting pollinators also helps the environment by promoting biodiversity. To attract pollinators, it's important to choose the right flowers. Here are some top picks. Lavender. Its fragrant purple flowers are a favorite among bees. Coneflowers. These vibrant blooms attract both bees and butterflies. Marigolds. Easy to grow and loved by many pollinators. Sunflowers, their large sunny faces are a beacon for bees. When planting for pollinators, variety is key. Aim to have a mix of flower shapes, sizes, and colors. Plant in clusters to make it easier for pollinators to find the flowers. Also, try to have blooms throughout the growing season by including early, mid, and late season flowers. Beyond flowers, create a welcoming environment for pollinators. Provide shallow water sources like a bird bath with stones for landing. Leave some wild areas or install bee houses for shelter. Use natural pest control methods to keep your garden safe for pollinators. By planting flowers that attract pollinators, you're not only beautifying your garden, but also supporting a crucial part of the ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!